This video will show you how to reset the oil maintenance lamp on a Ford Transit-250. This will be done from inside of the passenger compartment. Let's get into it. Okay, let's get started on resetting that engine oil life monitor. For this, we want to make sure we have the key in the on position. That's 2 clicks without the vehicle running. After that, we're going to take both feet, we're pressing on the brake pedal and our accelerator pedal. Now, once I've done that, we need to pay attention up inside the center of the gauge cluster. This could take approximately 30 seconds to go from being in the reset procedure to being fully complete. Let's keep holding. Okay, it says that it's reset. Now we can turn off key power and release those pedals. Okay, friend, we finished our job. Now at this point, the next thing we want to do is take the vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.